You should definitely make this cherry loaf cake because it's summertime and this cake is amazing. In a bowl, add the flour, baking powder, salt and use a wire whisk to mix it properly. In another bowl, beat together the soft butter and sugar until they are pale and fluffy. Now is the time to add vanilla extract and 2 eggs one at a time. Add 1 egg, beat the batter, then add another egg and beat it again. And here goes the flour and the curd or yogurt alternatively, starting and ending with the flour. So add 1/3 of the flour, mix the batter, then add half of the curd, then beat it again. Add half of the remaining flour, mix, and add all the remaining curd, mix it again, and finally add all the flour and give it a last mix. The final mix should be with the spatula. Now fold in 2/3 of the sliced and pitted fresh cherries into the batter and transfer the batter into an 11/5-inch loaf pan. Scatter the remaining cut cherries on the top of the cake. Sprinkle with some brown sugar. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. Let the cherry loaf cool in the pan for 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer to a wire rack to cool it completely. Now slice it up once cool and your amazing cherry treat is ready to enjoy. Happy baking!